Grace, you don't have a ball, Grace? Oh my God, they're great.
Wow. That lab is impressive.
Wow, I'm so jealous of them. I wish I could just take off my clothes and go in. Look at this. Oh. Is there an extra ball around?
I don't know, I've only seen mine. I know he dropped. There's one behind you.
Oh, behind me? Ah, okay. Hi, guys. Woo! All right, where's Grace? Grace, take a ball. Here. Oh, sorry. No, I'm just trying to give one to the Mastiff because then she doesn't cry so much. Gracie! Cash! Come on, Cash. Hey, let's show your mom. Yo! Okay, go! Go! Oh, you see how she's howling? There is Cash running through the water. Da, 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 da. Oh man, this is wonderful. Look at this. Oh. Hey, guys!